welcome back to House of Milan. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if I subscribe, thank you for doing that. Thank you for your love and your support. And today's tutorial, we are going to be learning how to do a full pleated turban with a satin material. This material I use here, this is called tapeta. And this is my abba lining. This is called abba lining. Just look at it. This is the abba lining. And the next thing I'll be showing you, I'm going to show you our tape rule measurement. That is my tape rule measurement, our scissors and our needle and thread. We're going to be needing our chalk. That is our chalk, our scissors. So let's get started. So this is our materials. This is our satin material, and this material is called taffeta. I called it again. We have doll face, we have satin material, and we have taffeta. So this is the length for this tutorial. This is the non stretching material. It's either you had a rope to the back or you had elastic to the back. In this tutorial, I didn't add elastic to it, or I didn't add handy to it because I'm on a low cut. So I'm on a low cut. I just have to do measurements and add 2 inches to it. So this is our measurement for this tutorial. I'll be showing you the measurement I'm going to use tutorial. I'm going to be using 2 material. That is the outside and the inside. Just take a look at it. The inside and the outside look alike. The inside and the outside just look alike. And that is it. That is our tapeta. I'm going to be giving it a full lining. This is our tapeta and our lining. So let's go to the next step. Let's go to the next thing on how to cut it. And this is how to cut it. Don't forget, I said we're going to be using 2 materials. So the measurement for this is going to give us 32 inches by 32 inches, both the fabric and the lining, both the tapeta and the lining. You're going to be giving us 32 inches by 32 inches. You're going to sew it round. You use your lining to turn out of fabric. So it out. Just do what I'm doing there. I already sewed this on my sewing machine, so I'll be turning this out. Just look what I'm doing. It's so easy to do. I'll be turning it out. You can check videos of my video on how I make satin material with no stretching material. That is it. You can iron it. That is it. Just look at it. I'm done with the sewing. Just look at it. I'm going to the last piece. I'm not going to close that part. Just see what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing. It's so easy. So the next thing we'll be doing now, I'm going to be marking 2 inches. I'll be marking 2 inches both the first side and the second side. If you're a beginner, try to make use of a ruler, so your hand is going to be straight and the measurement is going to be so perfect. Don't use your hand. If you're a beginner, try to use a ruler. Just what I'm doing. You're going to mark 2 inches both side and the other side, and you're going to use a chalk to draw the line together. You draw the line together. So I'm done with the drawing. I'm done with it. And this line, you're going to give you 16 lines. I repeat, it's going to give you 16 lines. Don't forget, 32 inches by 32 inches, both the lining and the satin material is going to give you 16. After you mark it finish, it's going to give you 16 line. That means we're going to line 16 lining. So if you want to add a rope to it, you can add a rope to it. On that line each, you're going to fold and sew it down. You're going to sew. Just see, I'm done with the sewing. Can you see how neat this look like? This is so neat. Just see what I'm doing. That is it. Satin materials, don't face is different from typewriter. So just look at what I'm doing, and the next thing I'll be doing, I'm going to be doing my measurements, my band measurements. My band measurement is 21 inches. So I'm going to be adding some inches to it since it's not a stretchy material. Don't forget I said you can add your rope to the at the back. If you're making this for a client, add your rope to the back or you add your elastic to the back. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to close that place, close it down. You can check previous on my video on how to make a full pleated turban. Then you sew it down. You sew it down. You can use the stretching tapeter. I want to use the stretching tapeter for this tutorial. Just what I'm doing. You're going to sew it down. You're going to close it round. Close it down. So just see what I'm doing. Check previous on my video now on how to do your running stitching. So you're going to do your running stitching both sides. You do your running stitching. See what I'm doing? I'll be doing my running stitching. Don't forget I said at the back you can add your elastic to it or your rope, so it's going to be easy for you to wear it. But because I'm on a low cut, so I didn't add any elastic or rope to the back. I just add my measurement. My measurement is 21 inches. Then I had another 4 inches to it. You can add 2 or 4 inches, just depending on how you want it. Just what I'm doing. I make a running stitching. If you are using a stretching material, you can use this process too. Just what I'm doing. I am going to tie it. You tie it. That's what I'm doing. You tie it. If I need to this my channel, please subscribe, please like, share my videos with friends and family, like and comment. It's just what I'm doing. So I'm done with this. I'm going to use a needle and thread to sew that part so it's not going to lose. Use the needle and thread to sew that part. Just look what I'm doing. So easy. Use the needle and thread to sew that part. You make sure your sewing is very tight. Just see what I'm doing. It's so easy. You keep doing that, then you cut. Just look at it and you tie it. So you tie it just the way I'm doing it. You tie it very well. That's what I'm doing. So easy. Just what I'm doing. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like this video. And don't forget to comment on this video. And that is it. That's how it look like. So that is the inside and that is the outside. The inside and the outside of my satin material. Just look at it. Just look at this. This is it. Look at this. Thank you all for your love and your support. Thank you all. I love you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. So that is the finishing part. That is the finishing part. That's the finishing part. Thank you all. I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye.